नमस्कारः महोदय।
ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। नमो नमः। Yesterday we were saying a lot lakar, right? Adnyartha. So I hope you have made some sentences, you have practiced, right? uh, Before beginning to next lakara, lang lakara, we'll practice lot lakar again, lat lakar as well as lot lakar. Then we will continue next lakar. Okay. So let me ask some kriya pada first. You have to decline kriya pada in lat lakar as well as in lot lakar. Okay. So let's take a dhatu vadati. So somebody can decline this lat dhatu in vada dhatu in lat lakara, then lot lakara.
रेणुका
Yes, please.
वदति वदिता वदतः वदन्ति वदसि वदतः वदथ वदामि वदावः वदामः
Vadani, vadami, vadavah, vadamah. Lot lakar now, somebody else. Who would like to decline the vada dhatu in lot lakara?
रमाबाला।
Anji.
वदतु वदतां वदन्तु वद वदतं वदत वदानि वदाव वदाम।
Vadani, vadava, vadama. Right. Rakshatu dhatu, rakshati.
वदयं वदानि
Amam, vadantu.
रक्षतु रक्षतां रक्षन्तु रक्षो रक्षतं रक्षतो रक्षानि रक्षावो रक्षामो
Rakshani, rakshava, rakshama. So he asked in lot lakara, shall I ask aham vadeyam athva aham vadani? Aham vadani kim? That was his question. Nice, very nice. Okay. Jayati. Jayati tedhikam. Jayati kriya.
जयति तेदिकं गोपी गीत, right?
Gopi Gitam.
Can I?
Jayati dhatu. Yes, Nandini.
जयति जयतः जयन्ति जयसि जयथः जयथ जयामि जयावः जयामः
That is lat lakar.
in lot लकार जयतु जयतां जयन्तु जय जयतं जयत जयानि जयाव जयाम.
Correct. So now we are going to make some sentences. I will give a kriya pada, a main root. You have to make some sentences by using that particular root, and you have to make some sentences. Like let's take Brahmati, lot lakar. Brahmati, it will be Brahmatu, right? So make some sentences by using Prathama Purush or Madhyam Purush or Uttam Purush, whatever you want to make. Short sentence, karta with karta, karma, right? For example, Arjunah Srimad Bhagavad Gitayam vadati yat mama manaha brahmati. Okay, that was sentence in lat lakara. You can make in lot lakara.
বনে কদাচিৎ ভ্রমতু
पुनः
বনে कदाचित भ्रमतु.
हाँ, वने कदाचित भ्रमतु अथवा भ्रमन्तु, राइट? सिंगुलर और प्लूरल बोथ आर करेक्ट. भवन्तः सर्वे अपि वने कदाचित भ्रमन्तु अथवा वाटिकायां भ्रमन्तु प्रातः काले, राइट? समीचीनम्. अन्ये? हाँ, वैशाली जी, डू यू वांट टू मेक अ सेंटेंस?
हाँ
हाँ जी.
अत्र रत्नागिरी नगरे बाजारे विपण्यां
हाँ, हाँ.
भ्रमाणि किं
भ्रमाणि किम्? आम्, निश्चयेन भ्रमतु. अस्तु. पठ, पठ धातु. पठ धातु, you have to make sentence in lot lakar. For आज्ञा, for request, right?
महोदयं वदामि.
आम्, वदतु.
सर्वे रामायणं पठन्तु.
सर्वे रामायणं पठन्तु. जी, हिराल जी.
कृपया पाठं पठतु.
कृपया पाठं पठतु. समीचीनं. कर्ता अपि
वृक्षः
हाँ, वदतु.
वृक्षः वृक्षः सम्पत्तां.
हाँ,
that is correct.
हाँ, okay, you make sentence, I will correct lastly.
वृक्षः सम्पत्तां. पठतां, like lot, like पठतां. So I said वृक्षः सम्पत्तां.
एक बारम आंग्ल भाषा, you can explain that sentence in English, then I will correct it.
That the trees are like shaking, kampantam, no?
अच्छा,
Like,
कंपनताम. You are using a particular धातु कंप, which actually belongs to आत्मनेपद.
okay. But
Okay.
that is lot only, no?
हाँ, that is lot lakar, but you are using आत्मनेपद, which we haven't covered yet. So sentence
Okay,
is
okay.
correct. Yeah.
Okay.
Fine. Okay. So let's take divyati dhatu to shine, right? Sun, moon, stars, you can use. Make one sentence. Anyone can make it. Now it is your turn. You can speak as much as you want. Right? Okay. Suryah आकाशे. What would be the kriya?
दिव्यतु.
दिव्यतु. नक्षत्राणि रात्रौ आकाशे
दिव्यन्तु.
दिव्यन्तु.
दिव्यन्तु, right? दिव्यन्तु. त्वं. Okay, let me change a kriya pada. Chala is a kriya pada. Chala means to walk. अहम वाटिकायां गच्छामि, वाटिकां गच्छामि. त्वम् अपि वाटिकां
चल.
चल, राइट? हाँ. नर्तिका नृत्यतु, राइट? कुत्र नृत्यतु? वेर?
रंगमंचे.
रंगमंचे नर्तिका अथवा नर्तकी नृत्यतु. That was lot lakar. Now for practicing I am putting a story, so we will practice again. Lot lakar. So you will file lot lakar as well as lat lakar in this story. Okay, one sentence you have to read and make. एकदा एकः वणिक् धनम् अर्जयित्वा गृहं प्रति अथवा गृहं प्रस्थितः आसीत्. There was one merchant. He got a wealth and he was coming back towards his house, right? So now asit, actually it is past tense, but this asti dhatu we haven't seen it. That's fine. Next, marge वणिक एकम मूर्खम मिलति. What is the kriya pad?
मिल.
milati.
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 Ha. Who is the karta in this sentence?
That Vanika.
Vanik is a karta. And what is a karma?
मिलति
No, that is kriya pada, right? Kriya pada.
मूर्खं कर्म
हाँ, मूर्खम एकम मूर्खम मिलति. Vanik ekam मूर्खम मिलति. Where?
Marge.
Marge.
How will you translate this word in
On his path.
on the path, right? On the way. Correct. So saptami vibhakti, so it will be on the way, right? Ardharatri samayah asti. अरण्य मार्गः च अस्ति. अतः
Midnight. Aranya Marga is forest. The mid of the forest.
Correct. अतः that's why तौ द्वौ अपि रात्रौ एकस्मिन् देवालये निद्रां कृतवन्तौ. They slept or they slept at one temple, right? Now in this sentence, how many kartas are there? Subjects are there?
Now, two.
So tau, right? Saha, tau, tau dvau, they both. Vanik tu adhikam dhanam asti, atah mandirasya ante nidrati. Nidrati means to sleep, right?
Yes.
अधिकं धनं तस्य समीपे अधिकं धनम् आसीत्, अतः सः मन्दिरस्य अन्ते निद्राति.
Inner of the temple.
Correct.
Inside the temple.
Correct. But that another pantha, मूर्खः, that मूर्ख fellow, मन्दिरस्य बहिः निद्राति, तस्य समीपे धनं न आसीत् अधिकम्, अतः सः मूर्खः पान्थः बहिः निद्राति. So this is the platform of the stories. Now what happens? तदा केचन चोराः तत्र आगच्छन्ति. That should be आगच्छन्ति. Ch is missing. आगच्छन्ति. Which lakara is this?
Lat lakara.
Lat lakara. Prathama purusha.
बहुवचन
Bahuvachana. Choraha agachanti. Now some thieves are coming there in that place. Okay. Te choraha choritam dhanam parasparam vibhajan kurvanti sma. Dhanasya parasparam vibhajanam kurvanti sma.
Divide. They want to divide it between the two.
Yeah, they were dividing that dhanam. So now what happens? Tada eshaha murkha, that chor, that another fellow who was sleeping outside, he says, Bhoho shabdam na kurvantu iti. Now here you have to find out lot lakar as well as lot lakar.
लोट लकार.
Lot.
Kurvantu, lot lakar, uttama purusha bahuvachanam, right?
Yes. Prathama Purusha.
Acha, prathama purusha. Okay, prathama purusha bahuvachanam kurvantu iti, right? Now what did he say? He said, Bho choraha. Now he was talking with thieves. O chora, shabdam na kurvantu, don't make a noise. I am sleeping, right? Don't you understand? And he said that way. Now choraha, ekaha choraha pratyuttarati means what?
Answered.
Yeah, choraha, one chora answered. What? Mukham pidhaya nidram karoti re daridra. That way he replied. What he said? Hey daridra, mukham pidhaya nidram, shut off your mouth and sleep. Isn't it? So now there is some lakar.
Karotu.
Karotu means shut off. Isn't it? Mukham pidhaya, actually pidadhatu will be the lot lakara. Here there is a lep pratyay is used. Pidhaya, mukham pidhaya, nidram karotu, sleep. You sleep. Okay. Then after hearing that sentence, that murkha is saying something. What he says? Aham daridraha na. Aham daridraha na asmi. I am not a poor fellow. Mama samipe ekam suvarna nanakam asti. Iti avadat. Now what did he say? Don't call me daridra. I am not daridra. Now to whom he is talking, do you know?
To the
He's
choras.
talking. See how wise he is. So he says, I am no daridra, I am not daridra. Mama samipe ekam suvarna nanakam asti. Very nice. Iti avadat. Avadat would be lam lakara. We are going to see that. Chorah tat nanakam balat svikritya pashyati. Pashyati. Which lakara is this?
That is, Pashyati is Paraspada,
Look.
Prathama Purusha, Ekavachan.
Lat lakara prathama purusha ekavachanam. Now what he did, Chora took his nanakam, suvarna nanakam, and he was examining whether that is suvarna nanakam or not. Then he should be, that murka fellow should shut off his mouth and keep watching, right? But no. Tad drishtva punaha murkaha vadati yat tat suvarna nanakam eva asti. आवश्यकं चेत भगवतः मूर्तेः पृष्ठतः निद्रां कुर्वन्तं वणिजं पृच्छतु. So if you don't believe on me, if you don't believe me, ask that fellow who is sleeping inside the temple. Right? Now that way he said, prucchantu is a lot lakara. Ha.
Prathama Purusha, Bahuvachan.
O choraha bhavantah prucchantu. That would be the sentence. Kam prucchatu vanijam prucchantu. That vanijam, that merchant, you ask to that merchant, right? Okay. Now choraha vanijah samipe gatva tasya vidyamanam sarvam dhanam haranti. Okay. Let me make some corrections right now. Choraha haranti means what?
The Choras went to the merchant, Vanika, Samipe, him, and then Dhanam, they took all his wealth.
Correct. Tatha cha tatah duram gachanti.
And went away far off.
Correct. Vanik tu bahu dukkham karoti.
Very sad, Vanika.
Atah, what is the moral? Dutsangah sarvathaiva tyajya. Isn't
Yes.
it?
Abandoned bad company.
मूर्खजनेन सह स्नेहः हानिकारकः. हाँ जी.
Sir, in the last paragraph, first sentence, I think it should be gachati because it is only one person.
Nan choraha gachanti, not vanik.
Oh,
Right? All the chora took his wealth and they went away from that temple, right? Yes.
okay, sir.
Good. Okay. Now you have memorized lot lakara, right? Kanishka, take a dhatu gachati and decline in lot lakara.
Sir, I wasn't able to write it down. Take pics
Okay, no problem. Tomorrow you have to memorize, right? Tomorrow means in coming class I will be asking you. Okay, next shloka we have to practice. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Now you can practice. Sarvah sarvav sarve, that way it is declined, that sarva sarvanam. Sarve sukhinah bhavantu means what?
Everyone become happy.
Shall become happy. Okay. Sarve santu niramayah.
सब लोग निरोगी रहे.
निरोगी रहे. आमय means disease. निर्गताः आमयः एभ्यः ते निरामयाः. आमय means disease. Or niramayama, disease we can say, or those who are not endowed with disease. So all shall become healthy. Basically that is the meaning. Okay. Sarve bhadrani pashyantu. Pashyantu means what?
Sir, see.
See. What see?
Auspicious thing. Good thing. Auspicious.
All shall see auspicious. And ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Kaschit api dukkha bhag ma bhavet. Ma means no, na bhavet. Nobody shall become dukkhi. Right? Okay, another one. Do you know this one? पृथ्वी त्वया धृता लोका देवी त्वं विष्णुना धृता त्वं च धारय मां नित्यं पवित्रं कुरु चासनं. हे पृथ्वी, इट इज संबोधन. त्वया धृताः लोकाः, त्वया लोकाः धृताः. डू यू नो धरति? क्रियापद धरति. धरति means to hold. So all people, all loka are hold by you, O Prithvi Mate. And tvam Vishnuna dhruta, he Devi, tvam Vishnuna dhruta asi. You are holded by Bhagwan Vishnu. Okay, now what shall you do? Tvam mam nityam dharaya. Tvam, he Prithvi Mate, he Prithvi Matah. Tvam means you, mam means to me, dharaya means hold, right? So you shall hold me always. And what shall you do? Pavitram kurucha asanam. Idam asanam pavitram kuru. So this is a request. O Mataye, please hold me on you and please purify this asanam. Right? Now dharaya, what is this? Dharaya, which lakara is this? Which purusha? Which vachana?
लोट लकार मध्यम
प्रथमा
पुरुष
एकवचन.
एक वचन.
Madhyama purusha ekavachanam. Right? Okay, now next one. This one is famous from Gita. Those who have completed first chapter, they can easily get the meaning. Drushtva tu Pandavanikam. Huh? Do you want to say something?
No, sir, I just wanted to say that I've learned it.
Acha, you have learned it. Nice, very nice. Okay. Acharyam upasangamya raja vachanam abravit. Raja Duryodhanaha vachanam. What is the kriya pada in this sentence?
Krishna.
Raja vachanam
Vacha.
अब्रवीत अब्रवीत.
abravit. Bru means to speak, right? To say. Abravit, it would be past tense. Raja Duryodhanaha vachanam. Vachanam,
Sentence.
a sentence. Correct? Yeah. Now, what he saw? Drushtva, having seen something, what he saw?
Pandava.
Pandavanam anikam athva Pandavanekam, it is samastapad. Anikam means sena. Sainyam. Pandavanam Sainyam Drushtva. How that was? There is a Visheshana, adjective for Anikam. Which kind of Anikam? Which kind of Sainya?
Yuda.
Vyudham. That which arranged with some vyuha, like Chakra vyuha, Garuda vyuha, isn't it? So he saw Sena, Pandava Sena, which was arranged with some vyuha, and having seen that, Raja Duryodhana does something. What he did? Acharyam upasangamya. He went nearby Acharya. Acharya means Dronacharya. And what did he do? Vachanam abravit. What he spoke? You know, whole Gita you know. Okay, let's move to next. Okay. Why did I put this shloka? It was just randomly come, I guess. Okay, next one. Rushikesham tada vakyam idamahamahi senayor ubayor madhye ratham sthapayamechyuta. In this shloka, actually, you have to find out lot lakar. Note yourself, please. Huh. You have to find out lot lakar.
स्थापय.
Sthapaya. Ha. Which form is this? Uttama Purusha Ekvachanam, right?
No, no.
मध्यम
Purusha.
Okay, Madhyama Purusha Ekvachanam. So Tvam Sthapaya. You place. What place?
the
Ratham.
chariot.
Yeah. So Tvam Mama Athva Me Ratham Sthapaya. But where?
Senayorubayor madhya. In
Senayoho.
between of the armies.
Correct. Senayoho. Which case is this? Senayoho Ubhayoho.
पंचमी षष्ठी
But
द्विवचन
No,
here,
it's Shashti.
here which case?
Dual case.
Yes,
Second,
dual.
Shashti.
But
Shashti.
Panchami or Shashti. Shashti, right?
षष्ठी
Correct. Senayoho Ubhayoho Madhye. In between both Sena. Right?
मध्ये मीन्स सप्तमी आगच्छति न महोदय.
हाँ, मध्ये इति सप्तमी. Right? He Mahipate. So previously Sanjay is telling, He Mahipate, O Dhritarashtra, Rishikesham, Arjunaha Rishikesham idam vakyam aha. So Arjuna spoke to Bhagavan Sri Krishna. What he spoke? Ubhayoho Senayoho Madhye Mama Ratham Sthapaya. Right? Sthapaya. For this Sthapaya word we have to put all the shlokas, right? Okay. Now Lot Lakara, I think.
Then how do you know Sthapaya is Lot Lakara Madhya Purusha? How? Because Tat Tam Ta na.
हाँ तो स्थापय if you decline the स्थापयति word स्थापयतु स्थापयताम स्थापयन्तु स्थापय, right?
But Tat is given, no? That Patathat, like.
No, see, you have to memorize those pratyas tu,
Okay.
tam, antu, right? Shunya, shunya means there is no pratyaya, right? So in this sthapaya form, you are not finding any pratyaya. That means that belongs to Lot Lakara Madhyama Purusha Ekvachanam, right? That way you have to practice it. Through practice you will get it, right? Again you have to understand the context, right? Arjuna is ordering Bhagwan, oh Bhagwan, please place my ratha. So context also you have to look at. Okay. Now Gruham Shabda you had memorized. How many of you memorize whole Gruham word?
What, sir?
Gruham Shabda, Napusaklinga. Yes, Amrishaji. I will ask you laterly. Kanishka, okay? Amrishaji. हाँ जी, एक शब्द नपुंसकलिंग गृहम शब्द यू हैव टू डिक्लाइन. टेक अप पत्रम वर्ड.
पत्रम पत्रम पत्रे पत्राणि पत्रम पत्रे पत्राणि पत्रेण पत्राभ्यां पत्रैः पत्राय पत्राभ्यां पत्रेभ्यः पत्रात् पत्राभ्यां पत्रेभ्यः पत्रस्य पत्रयोः पत्राणां पत्रे पत्रयोः पत्रेषु हे पत्रम हे पत्रे हे पत्राणि
संबोधन. Nice. Who wants to decline now? Some another word. द्वारम. द्वारम.
वदामि वा?
आम् आम् वदतु.
द्वारं द्वारे द्वाराणि द्वारं द्वारे द्वाराणि
द्वारेण
द्वारेण द्वाराभ्यां द्वारैः द्वाराय द्वाराभ्यां द्वारेभ्यः द्वारात् द्वाराभ्यां द्वारेभ्यः द्वारस्य द्वारयोः द्वाराणां द्वारे द्वारयोः द्वारेषु हे द्वार हे द्वारं हे द्वारं द्वारे हे द्वारे हे द्वारं द्वारे हे द्वारान्.
Okay, fine. Okay, so let me move to next part. You have memorized this word. Now we are going to look at new word, that is Hari, right? Hari word. Hari word is Pullinga, Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda, right? So like Harihi, this word you have to memorize. Harihi, Hari, Harayah, Harim, Hari, Harin, Harina, Haribhyam, Harivihi, Haraye, Haribhyam, Haribhyah, हरेः हरिभ्यां हरिभ्यः हरेः हरियोः हरिणाम हरौ हरियोः हरिषु हे हरे हे हरि हे हरयः. If you memorize this word, ukaranta words also will be easy to memorize. Okay, so all ikaranta words will be declined like hari shabda, ikaranta pullinga shabda, right? Let's take some let's take agni word.
Mahoday, there is a
Akarantaya.
I will correct that. You please continue, I will correct it.
Can I say
हाँ,
Agni?
agni word, yes.
हाँ. प्रथमा अग्नि, अग्निः, अग्नि, अग्नयः. प्रथमा अग्नि, अग्नि, अग्नि. द्वितीया अग्निना, अग्निभ्याम्, अग्निभिः. तृतीया अग्नि, अग्नि, अग्नये, अग्निभ्याम्,
अग्नये.
अग्निभ्यः. चतुर्थी अग्नये, सॉरी, अग्नये, अग्निभ्याम्, अग्निभ्यः. चतुर्थी अग्नेः, अग्निभ्याम्, अग्निभ्यः. पंचमी अग्नेः, अग्न्यो, अग्न्योः, अग्नीनां. षष्ठी अग्नि, अग्न्योः, अग्निषु. सप्तमी हे अग्ने, हे अग्नि न, हे अग्नि,
हाँ.
हे अग्ने, हे अग्ने, हे अग्नि, हे अग्नयः.
Okay, fine. Saptami ekvachanam agnau, right?
अग्नौ.
Fine. Now we are going to take one word. You have to decline in prathama, dvitiya, tritiya, chaturthi, panchami, shashti, saptami, ashtami. Saptami, sambodha. Okay. Take one word. Each word can be declined in two cases. Next, arihi.
Kavihi.
Arihi. We will go
Kavi.
with.
Kavihi. I'll take up Kavihi.
Okay.
Poet.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead.
So I should say the full thing.
Not full. Prathama, dvitiya you say, then later.
Okay. Kavihi. Kavihi. Kavi. Kavyaha.
Kavayaha.
Kavayaha. Okay. Kavayaha. Kavim. Kavi. Kavi.
Correct. Next is Ari word, Tritiya, Chaturthi. Someone else. We have to finish all the words. Arina. Please go ahead.
किम् अहं
हरिभिः, हरये, हरिभ्याम्, हरिभ्यः.
Not Hari. Ari, Ari. Ari means enemy.
अरिना, अरिभ्याम्, अरिभिः. अरये, अरिभ्याम्, अरिभ्यः.
Next, Asi word. Asi means sword.
असेः अस्याम् असेभ्यः असेः असयोः
Asyo.
अस्योः असीनाम्
Correct. Bas.
असौ
सप्तमी संबोधन now. Udadhi. हाँ जी. हाँ. Please go ahead. हाँ.
अहं वदन्तु
हाँ, वदतु अहम वदामि किम. You have to ask that. हाँ जी, कुछ बताओ.
Which word is it, sir?
ओके, टेक धुर्जटिः प्रथमा द्वितीया.
दुर्जटौ.
हाँ, टेक प्रथमा एंड द्वितीया.
दुर्झटिः, दुर्झटि, दुर्झटयः, दुर्झटिं, दुर्झटि, दुर्झटियन्.
करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, ऋषि वर्ड, तृतीया चतुर्थी.
ऋषिणा ऋषिभ्यां ऋषिभिः ऋषयेः ऋषये ऋषिभ्यां ऋषिभ्यः.
करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट, पंचमी षष्ठी. कपिः.
कपेः कपिभ्यां कपिभ्यः कपेः कप्योः कपीनां.
नेक्स्ट वर्ड गिरिः, सप्तमी संबोधन.
गिरौ, गिर्योः, गिरिषु. हे गिरे, हे गिरि, हे गिरयः.
नृपतिः प्रथमा द्वितीया. Those who haven't, they can continue.
May I?
Yes, please.
नृपति, नृपति,
नृपतिः.
नृपतयः, नृपतिः, नृपति, नृपतयः, Nrupatim, Nrupati, Nrupatin.
Nrupati, right? Again, Bhupati will be similar. So let's move to next. Panihi. Panihi means hand. तृतीया चतुर्थी. हाँ, वदतु वदतु.
पाणिना पाणिभ्यां पाणिभिः.
There will be panina, not panina, not murdhanya nakar.
Okay. नकारो अणत्.
दन्त्य नकार, not murdhanya.
महोदय इत्युक्ते नयनं वला
पाणिना
नयनं.
पाणिना पाणिभ्यां पाणिभिः.
Correct.
पाणये पाणिभ्यां पाणिभ्यः.
ओके, यू आर टेकिंग अनदर. अपना मराठी वाला पानी आप ले रहे हो, है ना? ठीक है. व्याधि. नेक्स्ट. पंचमी षष्ठी.
Sorry, which word?
व्याधि.
व्याधि. Okay. व्याधिना व्याधिभ्यां.
या पंचमी षष्ठी.
हाँ, व्याधेः व्याधयेः
व्याधेः व्याधिभ्यां
व्याधिभ्यः. व्याधेः व्याधिभ्यां व्याधिभ्यः.
षष्ठी.
व्याधेः व्याध्योः
व्याध्योः व्याधीना. राइट. नेक्स्ट. सेनापतिः. रविः. एक्चुअली रविः.
which vibhakti? Fourth, from fourth Mohoday?
Not sixth. We have
Okay, sorry.
seventh and Sambodhana.
सेनापतौ सेनापत्यो सेनापतिषु. हे सेनापते हे सेनापति हे सेनापतय.
Good. Okay. Now let's move to next. Gana. Now we are going to look at Vadi Gana, Pratham Gana, Chaturtha Gana, Divadi Gana. We have completed both Gana. First Gana, Vadi Gana. Fourth Gana, Divadi Gana. Now we are going to look at sixth Gana, which is known as Tudadi Gana. Some roots from Tudadi Gana. Let's take Tuda Dhatu. It has also Avikaranam. Tudati, to inflict pain, to give pain, right? Isha, it becomes Ichchati, to wish. Pracha, Prachati, to ask. Mucha, Munchati, to release. Visha, Vishati, to enter. Srija, Srijati, to create, right? Sprusha, Sprushati, to touch. Kshipa, Kshipati, to throw. And Disha, Dishati, to show, right? And Likha, Likhati, to write. So these are some roots or some Kriya Pada which belongs to Tudadi Gana. Parasmay Pada, Tudadi Gana, Shashthama Gana. Okay.
What is the difference between Bhavadi Gana and Tudadi Gana? Because it looks like same.
It looks like same, but what happens, this Gana also have same Vikarana, and Prathama Gana, Bhavadi Gana also have same Vikarana. Then what is the difference? Difference is, if you are using particular Vikarana for Bhavadi Gana Dhatu, there will be some modification in that Dhatu. For example, let's take Bhu Dhatu. If you are adding Vikarana, that U, Bhu, that U will change into O, and laterly it will become So it becomes Bhav. But in this case, if you see, to the Dhatu, that Ukara won't change. In Isha Dhatu, it won't become Esh. But it happens with Bhuadi Gana. Like Ni changes into Ne, then laterly it becomes Naya. There are particular sutras. I can explain those sutras, but it will be difficult because you haven't heard those sutras, right? Sarva Dhatu, Kardha Dhatu, Kayoho, Gunaha, it will become Guna. So Ni becomes Ne. Then Yacho, Yava, Yavaha, then it will become Ayadi Adisha. So Nayati, that form will be formed. In the similar way, Bhu will become bhavati. So that happens in Bhuadigana. Here there will be no modification, even though we are adding avikarana. That is the difference. Forms will look same, but that is little bit, changes you can see. Okay. So Tudadigana, these are the dhatus. Now with this, let's have a look at lat lakara pratyaya, not lang lakara pratyaya, kshamyatam. Ta, tam, an, visargah, tam, ta, av, am. These pratyayas will be used with dhatus, right? Okay, so let's see how it becomes. Let's take bhu dhatu, it will become abhavat. Then you can decline abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan, abhavah, abhavatam, abhavata, abhavam, abhavav, abhavam. Now please escape isha dhatu because it is starting with a. So before that, actually whenever we use lang lakara, we put a particularly, right? But if dhatu is starting with swara, there we have to put a, then there will be some sandhis in between, like vruddhi will happen. So it becomes aichat, it becomes aichat, aichatam, aichan. That way it will be declined. Okay, let's skip that dhatu. We'll practice others. Tuda, it will become atudat. Now you can decline the dhatu. Atudat, atudatam, atudan. Please, somebody can continue.
Adutah, adutam,
Atudam.
adutam, aduta.
No. Tuda is the dhatu. Tuda. So atudat, atudatam, atudan, atudah, atudatam, atudata, atudam, atudav, atudam. Let's take aprichat. You can decline.
Apruchat, apruchatam, apruchatan,
Apruchan,
apruchan, apruchah, apruchatam, apruchat,
apruchata.
aprucham,
Haan.
apruchava, apruchama.
Good. Next. Munchati is the dhatu. It will become amunchat. Next. Someone else.
Amunjat,
Amunjat.
Rama Balaji. Then I will ask Renukaji.
Yeah.
amunjat, amunjatam, amunjan, amunjah, amunjatam, amunjata, amunjam, amunjava, amunjama.
Amunchava, amunchama. Next. Vishati dhatu. Renukaji. Avishat,
Avishat, avishatam, avishan. Avishah, avishatam, avishatta. Avisham, avishava, avishama.
nice. Srija dhatu. Someone else. Yeah, Nishka, do you want to make?
Yes, sir. Srijata, srijatam, srijatam,
Asrujat. Add akara also.
asrujatam, asrujatan,
Asrujan.
asrujataha,
Okay.
asrujatam, asrujata. Sir, I'm
Asrujam.
confused how to do this.
Okay. Asrujam, asrujava, asrujama. Practice it more. In coming class, I will be asking you. Okay, next. Vaishali ji. Sprushati dhatu. Asprushat.
अस्पृशत, अस्पृशताम, अस्पृशन, अस्पृशः, अस्पृशतम, अपृशत, अपृशम, अपृशाव, अपृशाम.
Okay, let me tell you. Asprushat is Prathama Purusha singular and Aprushata will be Madhyama Purusha Bahuvachana. So while uttering those words, while saying those words, it should be clear. Asprushat, अपृषत, राइट? ओके, अमृषा जी, नेक्स्ट धातु.
महोदय अक्षिपत् अक्षिपताम् अक्षिपन् अक्षिपतः अक्षिपतम्
अक्षिपः, ओके, अक्षिपः,
अक्षिपः अक्षिपः अक्षि अक्षि अक्षिपतम् अक्षिपत अक्षिपम् अक्षिपाव अक्षिपाम.
करेक्ट. नेक्स्ट धातु हिरल जी, दिशति.
अदिशत अदिशताम्
अदिशत, क्षम्यताम्.
अदिशत् अदिशताम् अदिशन् अदिशः अदिशतम् अदिशत अदिशम् अदिशाव अदिशाम.
Last dhatu now. Who wants to? Siyaram ji, do you want? No. Okay. Someone else can.
लिखत. Shall I do? Renuka?
Yes. Yes.
लिखत.
अलिखत.
Sorry. अलिखत. अलिखताम् अलिकन् अलिकः अलिखतम् अलिखत अलिखतम् अलिकाव अलिकाम.
Alikham, alikhav, alikham. Now based on this we are going to make some sentences. Okay, I did that, yesterday I was doing that, you can say now. Okay, make some sentences by using this kriya pada or previously whatever kriya padas we were using from divadi gana, bhuadi gana, you can use and make sentences. Ambuja, what? Ambujaksha, right? Your noise, your voice is not coming. There is some noise actually.
Aham patram alikham.
Aham patram alikham. Nice. Good. Now we have only 10 minutes. Please make sentences as much as we can. Hanji, Vaishali ji, Amrisha ji, all can.
अहम प्रथम दीक्षा संस्कृत परीक्षा अलिखन.
Pariksham alikham.
परीक्षा.
Karma will be always in dvitiya vibhakti, right? Pariksham alikham. Aham pariksham alikham. Nice. Now it is your turn. You can make as much as you know.
Aham kanduka, that is ball. Shipa, to throw. So aham kandukam shipa
akshipam. Right?
Akshipam, yes.
Aham akshipam. Nice. Hanji, Amrisha ji.
बालकः श्लोकं पठित अलिखत.
बालकः श्लोकम् अलिखत. हाँ. Siyaram ji, do you want to say something? Please unmute yourself if you want to make some sentence. Unmute. Hanji. Someone else. His voice is not clear. Means we are not able to hear him.
Vayam gramam agacchama.
Vayam gramam
Agacchama.
agacchama. Good. Hanji, Siyaram ji now.
सः कन्याम् अरक्षत्.
सः कन्याम् अरक्षत. वेरी नाइस. दिल्ली में ही हुआ है अभी.
त्वं संस्कृतम् अबोधतः.
त्वं संस्कृतम् अबोधतः. नाइस. You know Sanskrit. You understood Sanskrit. हाँ जी, सुरभि जी.
भवन्तः here सायंकाले गृहम् अविशन्.
हाँ, अविशन्. गृहम् अविशन्. हाँ जी.
अहम शालाः
अहम. Okay. Someone else.
अहं गुरुम् अनमम्.
Again.
अहं गुरुम् अनमम्.
Anamam. Okay. I heard that Ramah Gurum Anamam. Okay. Aham Gurum Anamam. So this lakara is clear, right? Lat lakara is.
You can clear correct me. Like Ramah Chaturdasha Varshani Vanam Agachat.
Ramah Agachan, you can say Agachat, Ramah Vanam Agachat, or you can use actually Vasadhatu. He stayed there, right? Avasat.
Avinash, we can send you some sentences for your
Yes,
correction.
please. Yeah, please write down some sentences and send into the group. I will correct it. Okay?
Mother, may I? One
Huh. Yes, please make.
यः उद्याने सिंह अविशत्.
हाँ, यः उद्याने सिंहः अविशत्. Right? Nice. Now let use munchati dhatu to give up, to leave, to throw it away. Right? Actually to give up. To muncha. Muncha munchati.
अहं धान्यानि अमुञ्चाम.
Okay. Actually.
For birds.
Okay. हाँ.
पक्षियों के लिए मैंने धान्य डाला, इसे मुझे बोलना है.
हाँ. तो पक्षियों की चतुर्थी विभक्ति आपको करनी पड़ेगी, है कि ना?
हाँ.
Okay. Let's. This simple example I made. Ramah krodham amunchat. He gave off. Right? Kshipa dhatu. To throw it away. Or to throw.
Mahoday, now we use that shipa for birds के लिए.
हाँ. It can be used. Yes. Shipati to
Ashipat.
correct. Vanarah topikam akshipat. You know that story. I am not going to put now because you know. Disha. Disha means to show.
For stone, what is the word stone?
To
Stones. Kakah.
Kshilakhandah. Kshilakhandam.
Shilakhandani akshipant.
Shilakhandan.
Shilakhandaha akshipant.
Shilakhandah is pullinga shabda. So kakah shilakhandan akshipat. Right? Dishati. What would be the sentence? Guruhu margam
adishat.
Nice. Likhati.
Chatraha gruhakaryam alikhanti.
Alikhanti, is it correct?
Alikhan.
Alikhan.
Nice. Alikhan. Next. Srujati, to produce, to create. हाँ, ब्रह्मदेवः जगत् असृजत्. Nice. Vasati, to stay.
Balakaha nagare avasan.
Avasan. Nice. Samichan. Next. Chalati. अचलत्. सीतायाः पुरतः रामः अचलत्. अरक्षत्. राजा राज्यम्
अरक्षत्.
Nice. Jayati. Sentence. Jayati.
Raja Rajyam Ajayat.
हाँ, राजा राज्यम् अजयत्. भ्रमति.
So what do you call planets?
Planets. Graha. Okay. Aham nagaram
Abhramat.
abhramam.
Abhramam.
Aham I am using, right? Aham abhramam. Okay. Now, in previous slide we have seen some roots. So how many roots we have learned? Do you know? Have you counted?
11.
Okay. From first class I am asking about. 13, right? 30. So you at least in coming class we are going to meet on Monday, right? So have to make at least 15 sentences by using lat lakar, lot lakar and lang lakar. Okay, and in coming class I will be asking Hari word. Please memorize, it will be useful. And at least one kriya pada, abhavat, abhavatam, abhavan, abhavah, abhavatam, abhavata, abhavam, abhavava, abhavama. Okay. Okay, so practice
अविनाश जी,
this. हाँ जी.
अविनाश जी, एक मिनट, ये कन्या लज्जा करती है, कन्या लज्जा करत क्या होगा इसमें? इसमें करती करती है का क्या होगा?
Akarot, there will be, there is a particular dhatu, lajjate. So, lajjate belongs to Atmanepada. So, what we can make a vibhajya prayoga, lajjam karoti, right? And with karoti kriya pada, we can use lang lakar, akarot, right?
Akarot, right. Right. Thank you.
Ji. Any doubt?
I have question. महोदय मुझे पूछना है तो आज्ञार्थ में अहम पृच्छामि वा.
हाँ, अहम पृच्छामि वा. Yes, that would be the correct.
बनाना है ना.
हाँ.
धन्यवाद.
किम अहम पृच्छामि, that also fine.
महोदय मुझे लगता था कि किसी को आज्ञा करनी है तभी ये इस्तेमाल करना है.
ना ना, वैसे नहीं. जी. तो यदि वैसा होता तो बाकी के उत्तम पुरुष में उनको चलाने की जरूरत ही नहीं थी.
पुरुष कैसे इस्तेमाल करना है ऐसे में थोड़ी सी दिक्कत थी, तो आज मुझे समझ में आया.
जी जी.
धन्यवाद.
जी. Any doubt? Any question?
Avinash, do we have to remember all the kriya padas in the different ganas?
Actually no, but you have to actually memorize the forms like pratyaya.
Okay.
And you have to remember vikarana. Then looking at kriya pada, you will find out whether that belongs to
which gana,
whether gana, right? So if you find yakara before or preceded by ti, taha, anti, you will say that belongs to divadi gana.
Divadi gana.
If you find out aya like patha yati, gana yati, that belongs to churadi gana.
Right.
So by looking at vikarana, you can guess. Okay. Based on vikarana, you can guess.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay. Then we can conclude here. On Monday we are going to meet. Om Purnamadav Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Hari Om.